guests today doesn't need much of an introduction. Nope, they're the FIFA royalty, auto giants, and masters of beer and wurst.
Whoa, so let's welcome our guest from
Germany!
Never thought you could drink during work, huh?
I love my
In
job.
Taiwan. Yeah,
Good job.
Cannot work without drinking.
So there's something about German beer that's pretty special, right? There's a certain kind of rule in terms of how it's made.
Centuries old. Yeah.
Century-old rule?
No, not 1 century, 5 centuries.
5 centuries. You've had too many. So 5 centuries old, this rule.
1516, German purity law.
Okay.
It just basically says that beer can only have 3 ingredients: water, hop, and malt.
Wow.
And all the flavor has to be derived from these 3 ingredients. So recently you have this trend with craft beers where they have all sorts of funky stuff they put in the beer. They all have different tastes, but it's all made from the same ingredients. And that's actually the art of it. I mean, you can always add a flavor, and then you have something else.
After all, they have a festival based on their alcohol.
Yeah.
Oktoberfest, Munich Beer Fest, right?
Wine
It's
fest.
crazy.
Wine festival that we just talked about earlier, too, yeah.
I mean, the beer fest. I mean, of course, the Munich Beer Festival is the world-renowned festival. It's about drinking for having fun.
Right.
And, I mean, you
Well,
need
it's
some
also
alcohol.
celebrating the end of the harvest season, right? It's like kind of getting ready for the cold
Actually, it was
weather.
the wedding party of the king.
Okay, that's where it came from.
Karina, what do you prefer? What's your favorite kind of alcohol?
I love these long summer evenings where you sit in a beer garden and you all drink dark beer, which is really earthy.
Wait, what's a beer garden?
Beer garden it's like a restaurant, but a little bit like hearty, traditional food, a little bit like this. You can order
It's
there.
called a beer garden.
And then you sit outside and...
Look at him.
In Germany, in the summer, the sun is out until 10 p.m. So we just all sit out, or we sit by the river on the grass, and we just enjoy our beer.
Now it's time for the Wow Me.
Yeah, the Wow Me section. It's a little game we play. It's Wow Me is the idea of like, ooh, that was really cool, but also things about Taiwan that have wowed you. And as we go along with the game, Patty and I will judge by giving some points every time we feel like, ooh, wow, well,
Yeah. Share your stories,
Let's
starting
begin.
from
Andreas. Let's start with you.
Wow us.
Wow me.
So this is my little morning routine hiking trail, ancient Tianmu hiking trail.
Yeah.
Because you have great views, like all shades of green, like this beautiful forest. You have rocks. Just imagining this is just like 30 minutes from my doorstep.
Wow.
And then I go up again, and then you can look deep into the mountains, and sometimes you have the clouds coming over from behind. This is Tatung, right? I just love to have this, like to be in contact with myself, with my body, with nature, and then everything else can come, and you will take it just much more easily.
Right.
You need to press the wow
I'm
button.
about to.
That's 因为好帅.
I'm really impressed.
Okay, coming up.
So next we have Michael, and you have a little VCR for us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you the market here in Tianmu, where you can buy all what you want, all what you need. I'm a chef, you know, I love the Taiwanese food. I love all the fresh ingredients you can buy, you can get here. All the things here is fresh, nicely displayed. It's very clean. It feels like a little village in this big Taipei city. And when you come here, often the human touch and the friendliness of the people here. Usually after I buy all the vegetables, I come up here, eat something. It's a lot of different foods available. If you really love food, if you're into cooking, come here and get all your vegetables, all the things you need. And then you can make a nice meal, enjoy it with your friends, with your family, and you can get some nice flowers for your wife or for anybody you love to share some happiness.
Karina. You have a video,
You have a VCR.
right?
You have a VCR.
I'm Karina, this is Eleanor, and we're showing you our favorite place in Taipei. This is Jishan Rock. Walkway up here, we actually see like Buddhist disciples, we see Guanyin Pusa, this tiny little jungle right in the heart of a metropolis. It's just a special place for me. And now we're on top of the hill in front of Fuji Temple. I just enjoy being here. I enjoy watching people pray. Oh, coughing. Zhishanyan is just my place for nature, for culture, for leisure, and I'm really happy that she can experience that growing up.
Okay. All right.
Both our activities involve some degree of physical exercise.
Yeah.
Climbing up the steps.
Yes. Oh, but we still have some extra bonus points.
There's a tiebreaker, the bonus point winning session.
Yes.
Okay.
Cultural differences.
Yes.
Cultural shock.
Little
even.
things that made you kind of, whoa, kind of go, wow.
Okay.
I noticed a couple of things that were, different here when I integrated into Miaoli. And what I noticed is the way that people, they're very connected. The neighborhood was quite small, but a lot of people in Miaoli, in the mountain regions, when they are in retirement, maybe they buy a piece of land, they plant some vegetables or some fruits, whatever. And the produce that they have, they always share it. They share it.
Yeah.
Everybody
Share, I wow you, I will.
Yes.
Very communal.
Oh my God, that is so vastly different from how people in Germany treat each other, really.
Okay.
In Germany, we would bring maybe something, cake or whatever, if there's an invitation specifically. But people don't really come to your house specifically because they want to gift you produce that they can't use out.
Okay.
Or like,
The hospitality and everything. I can feel she loves Taiwan so much.
Yes.
Today was awesome.
This was a lovely
We had some
evening.
nice beer.
Yeah, great
and
conversation.
Great conversation.
Amazing conversation.
It's awesome to have you all here.
Yeah.
And
Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Taiwan will be back next week.
Yeah, thank you for joining us at home. Bye-bye. See you next time. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.